Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Jason Dupasquier, his family, net worth, parents, girlfriend, education and biography. Let's discuss this video in deep detail, but before going to detail, I wanna say if you didn't subscribe my channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Jason Dupasquier made the successful switch to circuit racing by claiming the ADAC NEC Championship Moto3 crown. Know all about him in this article, as like his family, net worth, parents, girlfriend, education and biography. So his bio name Jason Dupasquier, age, birthday 7 September 2001. He is 19 years old. Died May 2029 on this day, Sunday. Nationality Swiss. Marital status single. Girlfriend and relationship no one. Profession motorcycle racer. Parents Philip Dupasquier and Andrea. Net worth $1 million to $2 million esteemed. Jason Dupasquier and is a multiple-time Swiss national champion and made the successful switch to circuit racing by claiming the ADAC NEC Championship Moto3 crown in 2016. Swiss Moto3 rider Jason Dupasquier has died following injuries suffered during a horrific crash at qualifying for the Italian Grand Prix MotoGP. Announced the 19-year-old was airlifted to hospital and underwent surgery in medical care but couldn't be saved. Early life and family. Jason Dupasquier was born on 7 September 2001 to Philip and Andrea. He was born on 7 September 2001 in Switzerland. His father Philip Dupasquier is additionally a former motocross rider. Jason Dupasquier net worth. Jason Dupasquier is a multi-time Swiss national champion and made the successful switch to circuit racing by claiming the ADAC NEC Championship Moto3 crown in 2016. Who has an esteemed net worth of $1 million to $2 million. Jason Dupasquier racing career. Jason Dupasquier started his career in Supermoto and was a multi-time Swiss national champion. He then made the successful switch to circuit racing by claiming the ADAC NEC Championship Moto3 crown in 2016. Before then moving on to the Junior World Championship for 2016, the Swiss teenager made steady progress throughout 2017 and was able to make his debut within the Red Bull Rockies Cup in 2018. Before breaking his left femur within the second round of the Junior Moto3 World Championship, he missed the whole 2000 Rockies Cup campaign but came back stronger than ever in 2019. He finished the 2019 FIM Junior Moto3 World Championship in 8th overall because of a best result of 4th in Jerez. His strong from within the latter half 2019 rightly earned him a move up to the Planet Championship in 2022, with Swiss rider making his debut with the Bristol GP squad. The Mount 50 learned an excellent deal throughout his rookie campaign and gradually getting closer and closer to the leading pack. He returned in 2021, a rejuvenated rider, instantly commenting his place inside the highest five during free practice on the opening day of the season in Qatar. He would follow that form through to Sunday with a career first 10 finisher to further point scoring finishes followed at the Doha and Portuguese Grand Prix before he claimed his career before result of 7th at the Circuito di Jerez Angel Nieto. Heading to the Italian Grand Prix, Dupasquier set 10th within the World Championship standing and have collected a powerful 27 points from the opening 5 rounds of the season. Jason Dupasquier Mugello qualifying crash. Jason Dupasquier has died at the age of 19 following the Swiss horror crash in qualifying for the Mugello Grand Prix. MotoGP have confirmed the Moto3 rider was taken to the hospital in Florence on Saturday for checks after an enormous crash over the crest at Turn 9. But now a press release 24 hours on from the incident has confirmed that despite the simplest effort of all involved, Dupasquier has died in hospital as a result of the injuries he suffered. Dupasquier was involved during a multi-rider incident between turn 9 and 10 within the session red flagged. Therefore, thereafter FIM medical intervention vehicles received the location immediately, and therefore the Swiss rider was attended to a target before being transferred by medical helicopter during a stable state to Careggi Hospital in Florence. Despite the simplest effort of circuit medical staff and everyone, those subsequently getting to Swiss ride. The hospital announced that Dupasquier has sadly succumbed to his injuries. Thanks for watching the video.